Here is a powerful truth that may surprise you. The more you say no to clients, the more money you can make. At first, it may sound completely crazy, but hear me out first. Whether you're a freelancer, small business owner, or entrepreneur, listen up. Saying yes to everything isn't the best road to growth. In fact, it's often the quickest way to burnout and financial strain. Here's the secret. Success often means having the courage to say no to certain opportunities. And today, I will reveal why learning to say no is not a weakness, but one of the smartest moves for long-term business growth. Saying no to a client often feels terrifying, and there's always a voice in your mind whispering questions like, what if another project does not come around the corner? What if this client never returns? What if you are closing the door on your success? Etc., etc. These fears are powerful, and many business owners believe that refusing work means shutting down future opportunities. However, the reality is very different. By saying yes to every single request, you may be hurting yourself. Each unnecessary yes pulls you into low-value projects that consume your time, energy, and focus. Instead of building meaningful work, you become overwhelmed by tasks that do not pay enough and do not align with your true goals. The fear of losing opportunities blinds many entrepreneurs to a larger truth. Success is not about how much work you take on, it is about choosing the right work. Saying no is not closing the door on opportunity, it is protecting your energy, preserving your focus, and creating the space for bigger and better opportunities to arrive. When you overcome the fear of saying no, you discover the real freedom of running your own business. When you say yes to everything, the quality of your work begins to suffer. You stretch yourself too thin, sleep becomes a luxury, and your days are filled with endless multitasking. The result is sloppy outcomes, missed details, and a growing sense of frustration. No matter how talented you are, exhaustion always leaves a mark on your work. Clients notice when something is rushed, and they remember when it fails to meet their expectations. By saying no to overload, you protect your standards. You give yourself the time and energy to focus, refine, and deliver work that truly represents your best ability. High-quality work builds trust, strengthens relationships, and attracts higher-paying opportunities. Clients are always willing to invest more in excellence than in half-finished, rushed results. The truth is simple. Quantity may fill your calendar, but quality builds your reputation and your long-term success. Every time you say no to projects that do not serve you, you are saying yes to better outcomes, higher value, and stronger respect in your industry. Protecting your quality is not a sacrifice. It is the smartest way to grow your business with pride and purpose. When you tell a client that you are fully booked, it is not a signal of laziness. On the contrary, it communicates that your expertise is valuable and in high demand. Clients immediately perceive that your time is limited, which positions you as a professional who delivers exceptional results. Think about the best professionals you have ever hired, whether they were designers, accountants, consultants, or specialists in any field. How often were they immediately available? Rarely. Their unavailability is not a weakness. It is proof that others recognize their value and trust them with important work. Exclusivity creates perceived value. When your availability is limited, your services become more desirable, and clients are willing to pay more to secure your attention. By learning to say no strategically, you cultivate a reputation as an expert whose time must be respected. This approach does not alienate clients. Instead, it attracts serious, motivated clients who understand that quality work takes time. Ultimately, managing your availability carefully allows you to command higher rates, increase your income, and maintain the focus and energy necessary to deliver outstanding results consistently. When you say yes to a project with an unreasonable deadline or offer your services for less than your standard rate, you are teaching your client exactly how to treat you. They learn that your time, skills, and expertise can be undervalued and that you are willing to bend to meet impossible demands. This pattern often repeats itself, creating a cycle of stress, frustration, and underpayment that undermines both your business and your professional reputation. On the other hand, learning to say no politely establishes clear boundaries. By communicating your limitations respectfully and professionally, you demonstrate that your time and work are valuable. Clients begin to understand that your process matters, that quality takes time, and that fair compensation is non-negotiable. Boundaries are not obstacles. They are a core part of your professional brand. Clients who respect your limits are more likely to provide better projects, clearer communication, and timely payments. In essence, saying no strategically does not close doors. It educates clients, strengthens relationships, and positions you as a confident professional who is in control of their business and their worth. Saying no is not an act of rudeness. It is a demonstration of leadership and self-respect. Many business owners fall into the trap of agreeing to every request because they fear disappointing clients or appearing unhelpful. However, constant compliance is a form of weakness that drains energy, reduces productivity, and diminishes professional authority. Successful business owners understand that their time and energy are finite resources. They know that bending to every demand does not create loyalty or respect. It creates expectation and dependency. By learning to say no firmly and professionally, they establish clear boundaries, protect their energy, and maintain focus on the projects that truly matter. The more often you practice saying no respectfully and strategically, the stronger you become. Each time you uphold your limits, you build confidence, earn respect, and reinforce your reputation as a professional who values both quality and fairness. Saying no is not a denial of opportunity. It is a declaration that your business operates with intention, discipline, and purpose. Strong boundaries lead to stronger business outcomes, more meaningful client relationships, and a sustainable path to success. If you continue saying yes to low-paying, time-consuming projects, your actual hourly rate will fall far below what your skills and expertise are truly worth. Each hour spent on work that drains your energy and provides minimal return is an hour lost that could have been dedicated to high-value clients and projects. By learning to say no strategically, you create space in your schedule for opportunities that move your business forward. High-value projects not only pay better but also challenge your skills, expand your portfolio, and strengthen your professional reputation. They attract clients who respect your time, trust your expertise, and contribute positively to your business growth. Saying no is not rejection, it is prioritization. It ensures that your focus, energy, and creativity are reserved for work that truly matters. Practical experience reinforces this lesson. Paul Reed, owner of Reed & Company Accounting, discovered that chasing clients who were late with payments or constantly demanded revisions was costing him more than the income they generated. By saying no to these stressful clients, his cash flow improved, his team experienced less stress, and his business became stronger and more sustainable. Learning to prioritize high-value work is a critical step toward long-term success and growth. Saying no does not have to damage relationships or harm your reputation. The key is to communicate respectfully and professionally. Begin by being polite but firm. You do not need to apologize excessively or over-explain, but you should show respect for the client and their needs. Next, provide a clear reason for declining the project. Explain that you are fully booked, that the project does not align with your expertise, or that it is not the right fit for your current workload. This transparency helps the client understand your perspective and prevents misunderstandings. If possible, offer a future timeline or alternative solution. Let the client know when you may be available again or refer them to a trusted colleague who can assist. Keep all communication professional and, ideally, in writing. Draft an email that politely declines the project while maintaining a positive tone. This serves as a record and ensures that the message is clear and respectful. By saying no in this way, you preserve your boundaries, protect your time and energy, and maintain strong professional relationships. Clients will respect your honesty, and your business will continue to grow without unnecessary stress or overcommitment. Remember the reason you started your business: freedom, flexibility, and personal fulfillment. Saying no is not closing doors, it is creating space for the right opportunities. When you establish boundaries, clients respect your time, your work improves, and your profits increase. Now, take a moment to reflect. What is one project you should have said no to in the past? Share your experience in the comments. If this video provided value, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more actionable strategies that help your business grow, thrive, and succeed.